Problem number 60 says for each element in problem 58, first write the electron configuration of all of the electrons, then give the electron configuration of the valence electrons. Well, if you do the electron configuration of all of the electrons, then the last part is pretty easy. First, let's take a look at 58. See which elements these are. There they are, so let's copy these and paste them over here. There we go, it's good enough. So oxygen, sodium, and phosphorus. Now to do this problem, it will help to use the periodic table. Let's have a look. Here it is, periodic table. So if you know where your element is, then you can pretty much read the electron configuration right off of the table. So suppose we're talking about this element right here, which is in the fourth position of the 4p subshell. Then to get the electron configuration of this, you'd start at the beginning. So first you go through the 1s subshell, and there are two 1s's, so 1s2 down to the second row, 2s2, 2p, and then this has 6 of them, so 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and then 3d. There are 10 of these, so 3d10, and then to get here you do 4p4. Okay, so let's see where the elements are. Let's go back to our problem, and we'll just go ahead and put that periodic table right there. So the first one is oxygen. Oxygen is right here. It's the fourth element of the 2p subshell. So to get to oxygen, let's blow this up a little bit. You start at the beginning, you go through 1s, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So let's write this down. Oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So that's the full electron configuration for oxygen. Now the valence electrons are the electrons that are in the highest energy level. So you got energy level 1 and then energy level 2 right here. So let's underline the valence electrons, and there they are. So if you want the electron configuration of just the valence electrons, it would be simply 2s2, 2p4. Next one is sodium. Sodium is going to be right here. We can find sodium if we go to the other periodic table. There it is. So sodium is right there, element number 11. It's the third one down in the first column. So third one down, first column. There it is right there. It's in the 3s. So you're going to end with 3s1. So to get to sodium, it's 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That was 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now, if you wanted to give the noble gas notation of the electron configuration, you would see that this part is the same as the electron configuration of neon. So you do the previous noble gas, and then 3s1. So either of these are the full electron configuration. Now the valence electrons are going to be the highest energy level, so that's that 3s1 electron right there. And so the electron configuration of the valence electron is simply 3s1. Now the last one is phosphorus. So let's bring phosphorus down here. And phosphorus is right below nitrogen. It's going to end up in 3p. So you can see phosphorus right there. There it is right there. So you're going to end up with 3p3. So reading it off, that's going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. And there are, you could also do the valence, the noble gas notation of the electron configuration. So substituting neon for the first part right here, you would have neon and then 3s2, 3p3. You can see those valence electrons right there and right there. And so just copy those down, 3s2, 3p3, and there you go.